It's a great pleasure and honor for me to give a speech in the heart of Africa. And alhamdulillah, my dream has come true. Today, I'm giving a public lecture in Nigeria. Quran says in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 78, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has enjoined for us to establish regular prayers from the decline of the sun till the darkness of night and in the morning. The difference between kufr and iman is the negligence of salah. Islam is derived from the Arabic word salam, which means peace. Today, the biggest enemy of Islam is the media. The media picks up verses of the Quran and quotes out of context to distort the image of Islam. What is the meaning of Muslim? Muslim is the person who submits his will to God. As Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, said in the Gospel of John chapter 5 verse number 30, that not my will but the will of my Father. Not my will but the will of Almighty God. So Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, said he was a Muslim. So in this way, Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, is a Muslim, and we Muslims are more Christian than the Christians themselves. Sister, do you believe there is one God?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe Jesus is God?
No.
Do you believe Jesus is the messenger of God?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Yes, I do.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Are you doing out of your own free will?
Yes, I'm doing it willingly from my heart.
Okay, sister, I will say in Arabic and you repeat it.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu. MashaAllah, sister, you have become a Muslim and may Allah grant you Jannah.
My name is Rose. My name is Joy.
My name is Eunice.
Sister, do you believe that there is one God?
Yes.
Do you believe Jesus is God?
No.
Peace be upon him. Do you believe Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, is the messenger of God?
Yes, sir.
You are accepting Islam out of your free will?
Yes.
Okay, sister, I'll just say in Arabic and you repeat it.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
Laha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
Ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
Abdul
wa rasuluhu.
Rasul.
MashaAllah, sister, you have become a Muslim, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannah.
But as I come to get closer, after hearing Dr. Zakir speaks on Peace TV, because I watch its program every day, I came to realize Islam was the true faith. When I was in Islam, everything I was being taught, I don't understand. But when I entered Christianity, I began to understand. And immediately I was baptized in Christianity. I had a feeling that I can be in Christianity. But when I started hearing about Dr. Zakir speaks on Peace TV, I get to realize Islam is a faith. But how can I really build my faith in Islam?
Do you believe Jesus is God?
No.
Do you believe He's messenger of God?
Yes.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Yes, I believe.
Do you believe that there is one God, one Allah?
Yes.
So sister, first thing, you should take the Shahada back.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
MashaAllah. Mabluk.
My name is Sobina. I'm a student. I used to watch Peace TV and I used to see Dr. Zak.
Are you a Muslim?
No, I'm a Christian, but I'm here to convert to a Muslim.
Do you believe He's God?
Okay, now I believe he's a messenger.
MashaAllah. Allahu Akbar. Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
I have always believed him.
MashaAllah. Do you believe there's one God?
Yes, I do.
If you believe there's one God, and if you believe that Prophet Muhammad is a messenger, and Jesus is a messenger, you're a Muslim. Brother, would you like to say it in Arabic?
Yes.
Okay. Ashhadu
I shall do.
Allah
Allah
ilaha
Ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
Allah
Allah
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abd
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness. Okay, I bear witness that
there is no God
there's no God
but Allah,
but Allah.
and bear witness
I bear witness
that
thy
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is
it's
the servant
the servant
and messenger of Allah.
a messenger of Allah.
MashaAllah, you have become a Muslim. If any Christian can point out to me any verse from the Bible, any unequivocal verse in which Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, himself says that I am God, or where he says worship me, I am ready to accept Christianity today.